Hello everyone! Happy Sunday! How's everyone doing po? I hope you are all well and safe. Well, today we went to church this morning and we bought our groceries and now we're here at home. So I'm just preparing some spread for the bread. So I'm doing some sweet corn tuna spread, guys, with the mayonnaise. Pero I need to get some spoon. So dyan lang muna kayo. Sabaw ng mga pusa. Kukuha lang ako. I'm just going to take a container, a spoon, and these things to make my tuna sweet corn spread. Kumusta po kayong lahat? How's everyone? I'm just showing you what I'm doing. I just finished preparing this smoothie. I put some spinach, avocado, cucumber, and the blueberry. By the way, to those who are watching me right now, and to those who are going to watch the replay, kindly comment below where you are watching me from. So I'm just taking out the water in this tuna because it's a tuna in brine. Okay. I'm doing this because it's better to prepare your own food rather than buy it outside. So how's everyone and how's the weather in your place? Well, here for the past few days since Friday, we have this, last Friday we have this red warning storm. It is meaning it's a very dangerous time to go out. That's why people are advised just to stay at home and or just to work from home because all the transport were suspended. And some of the places didn't have any electricity because of the very strong wind, guys. Very strong wind, 130 kilometer per hour. Is it? 170 kilometer per hour. That's why it's very, very dangerous and loads of trees. And also, I've seen the ice skating rink in our place. It was broken because of the very strong wind. But today, it's better than the past 2 days. Though it is raining and there's still a quite strong wind. But it's not that as strong as on Friday. So, ito po. So, I just finished taking out all the brine in this can, and then now I need to put some of the sweet corn. Yun. Tinanggal ko rin yung sabaw nitong corn na to. Yan. Yun. Tapos, konting halo-halo. Mix-mix. Tapos, lagyan po natin ng konting salt. And konting pepper. Ayan. Nakakabahin pala itong pepper. Oh my gosh. So, yan, halo-halo po. And, lagyan natin ng mayonnaise. Eh, bago pa pala itong mayonnaise. Kala ko luma na. Meron pang luma doon, Paul? Pakicheck nga, sayang naman. So, ayun po. Tatabi ko muna yung ibang corn for, next use, future use. Etong sabaw ng tuna, we can give it to our cat because they love fish. And they will love this tuna brine. Ayan, open na. Ano po? Light mayonnaise. Iniwasan po natin yung maraming fats. Ngayon, pagkatapos nito, you can start putting it on your toasted bread or kahit hindi toasted bread, okay pa rin. So, kumusta po ang inyong Sunday, yung inyong weekend? I hope na lahat po kayo ay nakapagpahinga or nakagawa ng mga bagay na gusto nyong gawin. Yon. Kami, we went to church this morning bago nag-grocery. Tapos, the reason why we are in the kitchen because we are cooking food for our dinner. Ayan, okay na oh. Lalasahan ko na lang siya kung tama na yung lasa ng asin. Pwede na. So guys, ingat po kayo palagi dyan and God bless you all. Bye!